In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make all your YouTube playlists private. This is really useful if you've been saving videos for personal use like study material, guilty pleasure content, or anything you simply don't want showing up on your public channel. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to change the privacy setting on each playlist so only you can see them. First, open your web browser and go to YouTube's homepage. Make sure you're signed into the account that owns the playlists you want to change. If you use multiple accounts, double-check the profile picture in the top right corner to confirm you're on the correct one. Once you're signed in, you're essentially on your YouTube dashboard. Next, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu with different options like Home, Subscriptions, and so on. In that column, find and click on the option labeled Playlists. This takes you to a page where all of your playlists are collected in one place, making it easy to manage them. On this playlist page, locate the first playlist you'd like to make private. Underneath the playlist, thumbnail and title, you'll see a small icon with 3 vertical dots. Click on those 3 dots to open a little menu of options for that specific playlist. From the menu that pops up, click on Edit. This will open the detailed view for that playlist where you can change the title, description, and most importantly, the privacy settings. Inside the playlist editor, look for the privacy control. It's usually a drop-down menu near the playlist title or just below it. It might currently say public or unlisted. Click on this drop-down to see the different visibility options. From the drop-down, select private. Setting a playlist to private means only you, when signed into your account, can view it. It won't appear on your channel for others, and even people with a direct link won't be able to watch it. After selecting private, make sure you confirm the change by clicking save. This is important. If you close the page or click away without saving, your playlist will stay on its previous setting. To make all your playlists private, simply repeat this same process for each playlist you have. Go back to the playlist section, open the menu for the next playlist. Click edit, change the privacy to private, and hit save. Work through them one by one until every playlist you care about is set to private.